Mayambu ikong no khurumjari aigi ming tenzing pukrambam adom na yengbiri basi Brainwave Quiz 2019 Season 1 gi Episode 2 ni. Haiba Brainwave Quiz 2019 gi Season 1 asida akhoi school kuntaret na saruk yaduna mkhoi quiz contest asi pangtok jagadori. This program is brought to you by Lamjingba Youth Development Association, Yairipok, Angtha and Impact TV. Haiba school kuntaret sing asigi akhoina round sing asi khoi ahum thokna khaidok chai. First round, second round amsung third round. Ahan bagi round asida akhoina pool mapan khaidok tuna school kuntaret sing asigi khoi team ahum khaidok jaraga makhogi pool A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I haiba pool mapan asidagi akhoina winner amamam khallaga mathangi second round sida qualify tawduna third round da qualify tawrama matungda winner amakhakta khanjaraga makhogi damakta cash prize award chauna thamjari, citation amasung lot of exciting prizes mayam thamjari. Adanga sigi episode 2 asida akhogi pool B gi team A, B and C akhogi mafam sida lengchinduna leire. Aduna team A dagi akhoina brighter Star Public School A ko brighter Star Public School A loitang khunogi school sina team A da leizare. Team B dana khoi Peace and Freedom Academy B Thobal Hokha. Aduga team C Sacred Heart School Yairipok A. Aduna hojik mathangi round akoi chathajringai maoinana akoi team singi isa gi ming leifam aduga isa gi standard miyam da haipetang takpagi khudong chaba du lominasi. Team A dagi haujarge. Team A.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Taurian, and I'm reading in class 9. I'm from the Brightest of the school. I am Bhumika Raskumari. I usually talk about the Brightest Public School, class 9.
Okay, so team B.
Good morning, everyone. I am Anderson Naurem of Class 10, representing Peace and Freedom Academy.
I am Orlando of 10th standard from Peace and Freedom Academy, Chawalaka.
Okay, team C.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯊꯥꯡꯖꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯌꯥꯏꯔꯤꯄꯣꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯇꯝꯖꯔꯤ I am read in class 8.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯃꯣꯏꯔꯥꯡꯊꯦꯝ ꯕꯦꯅꯁ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯇꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩ class 8.
Class A. Good. Team A, B and C ready lebiro. Akhoi episode 2 sigi round sing asi chaurok ma haijarake akhoi quiz contest asigi akhoi round manga thokna khaidok chai. Round 1 da general awareness round. Round 2 dana akhoi home round have the Manipur Malabak Manipur so the base of question home round the hangjagani. Round 3 dana audio and visual round. Aduga round 4 dana buzzer round. Aduga final round 5 dana current affairs and IT round. Akoi high round sing silwer mutungda nasigi winner oirakpa aduna second round da sangaga semi finals ta sanga doini aduna yam section namun tabiraga tawbi horo. Aduna round 1 ase haunanaba tawjarage ready lebiraba team sing. Okay, so let us start with round 1. Round 1 haiba general awareness round. Rules and regulations saurokpama haijarake amuna tabi horo. General awareness round ase akhoi account opening round haina so haiko haidi akhoi isa gi account sing da score tawnaba gi chance adu lainana ba akhoina sigi round sida chance ani khok pijagani. Chance ani sida question ase hangraba matungda ahanba khumapa question duna chumba tar answer duna chumapa taraga di akhoi 10 points direct team da allot tawjagani. Aduga ani subo oina chance amuka pijagani akhoi adugi chance da karigumba chumba taraga na koina just 5 points. Ko sigi chance ani se every team members sing khudimakta akoina chance ani pijagani. Aduga every question hangraba matungda countdown 10 seconds ama lakani ko 10 seconds to gi manung du da answer do khumbi honaba isa na team gi members sing na khangbi honaba ningsingjari. Aduduna koi hojik ahanba round asigi questions screen da leire 1 2 3 and 4. Team A dagi hojage. Team A, choose your question please.
3.
Okay, question number 3 general awareness round gi question number 3 team A na khanbire. We have the question on the screen. The deficiency of which vitamin causes rickets? Option A vitamin C, option B vitamin D, option C vitamin B and option D vitamin A.
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C. That is wrong. We'll give you the second chance. Second chance. The muka kanbiro countdown starts now.
Vitamin D.
Vitamin D. Option B tare ko. Option B. Okay, that is the correct answer. Aduna team A is in a bonus point in answer kumbirakpana. They'll get the 5 points. Thank you so much, Team A. Adugi mathangi question is the Team B. The lakchage Team B. Please choose your question. One. Okay, your question is Hawa Mahal is in which of the following cities? Option A, Jaipur. Option B, Mumbai. Option C, Chandigarh. And option D, Hyderabad. Countdown starts now.
Jaipur.
Okay, option A, Jaipur. Aduna, that is the correct answer. Aduna Team B na ahanba chance aduda chumna khumbirakpana akoigi 10 points asi Team B da allot tawjargani. So thank you so much Team B. Let us move on to Team C. Team C, question number khanbiro.
2.
Question number 2. Okay, we have the question on the screen. When was the Quit India movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi? Option A, 1940. Option B, 1941. Option C, 1943. Option D, 1942.
D.
Option D. Okay, that is a chumba answer. Aduna 1942 is chumna kumbirkre team C na full marks allot tawjaragani. Aduna round 1 asida team khudimake account dum open tawkhre na hajaribako. Aduna next round home round haibsida khoi makha chathajage. Home round akoigi Manipur da best of question ngakto oigani ko. Aduga hojiki round sidana koi direct question oigani sidadi options yauraroi isa na question do choose tawrba matungda aina pathokcharba matungda 10 seconds countdown horkani aduda direct answer oina khubirkani team khudimangna aduna sidadi akoi pass on question su leije aduna karigumba team duna akoina khumba ngamgi do targadi akoi mathangi hairiba team aduda akoi pass tawduna 5 marks ki point ade allot tawjagani karigumba ahanba direct question aduda akoina khumbirakpa taragadi 10 marks point allot tawjagani aduna hairiba question asi team B dagi hojage team B home round gi question choose tawbigani
4.
question number 4. Okay. Who is the first Manipuri to be featured on an Indian stamp? Countdown starts now. Who is the first Manipuri to be featured on an Indian stamp? Okay, the time is up. Duna, same question as team C the chance pizage. Countdown starts now.
Irawat.
Sir, how na habiro?
Irabot.
Irabot. Lale ko. Irabot lale. That is wrong answer. Aduna mathangi team A da chances pizage. Team A the same answer. Countdown haujakre.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Aduna team A, B amasung C ahumakna hangdabana the correct answer is Rani Gaidin Lui. Rani Gaidin Lui akoigi political leader amakhakni ko maje chahi 13 khakta ngairingaidagi political leader ama oina heraka religious movement ado yauraga akoigi Manipur gi achauba adugumba ningtambagi lanbi haibtare mayamna ikai khumnajaba Rani Gaidin Lui ni mana India gi hanba stamp to the yauba feature tawbagi akoi Manipur dagi haitare ko maga han boy adana mathangi question ase akoi gi team C da lakchege team C gi direct question home round gi please choose your question
1.
question number 1. Question number 1, your question is an unmarried girl Havdilai Shabi is otherwise also known in Manipuri as. Your countdown starts now. Leishabi haiba wahi asigi atopa kari wahi aina haina ke
Shano.
Okay, the time is up. Shano, that is wrong answer. Aduna same question as koi team A the pass tawjage team A. Your countdown starts.
Nura.
Nura. Okay, the answer Nura haijabako. Chumi aduna akoigi bonus point as team A na pangani leishabi gi atopa ming Nura haina kawi. Aduna the same question second round asigi home round gi direct question is team A da same team da aduma chance pizari please choose your question. Question number 2. Question number 2, Your question is, during which period was the Chahi Taret Kuntakpa occurred in Manipur? Chahi Taret Kuntakpa ki Chahi adu karamano. Tap you have your countdown starts now. Okay, the time is up. Then okay, same question as mathangi team B da hangjage. Countdown starts now.
1819 to 1825.
18 kya degi na?
1819 to 1825.
1819 to 1825. Ado 1819 to 1825 ko. Yam chumbudi kharadi chum aham badigi du chummi aduga akon bagi 1819 dagi na 1826 po agani aduna ai team B se dum bonus points se pizage adum chummi hane logjarage ko 1819 to 1826 oigadoni 25 haibirakpa aduna okay team khudingmakta direct questions home round gi question jo hangjaba loikhaba matungda round 2 loisilakpagi akhoi pulap ki oina total score kya laibage have the question de yingminasi team A amsung B aduga C kanana lead tawribage have the mayam pune yingminasi we have the score on the screen ana team A 10 points aduga team B 15 points aduga team C na 10 points aduna team B na hozik point manga henduna lead tawri second round loikraba matungda aduna mathangi round asi akoina audio and visual round haina thamjabani audio and visual round asi sida mayam atopa team A amasung C team B dagi henanaba kana homina si yam mun tabiraga keno answer khumbiu khoige round 2 loikraba matungda khoi round 3 asida okay audio and visual round sida makhang chatha aduna audio round hana tawraba matungda visual round lakadoini aduna audio sing asigi option sing se akoina khanbiraba matungda yam munna tabiraga ko munna tabiraga answer je pibirau chumna khumak paduna akoina 10 marks pijagani aduga pass on tawgiba question sing duna 5 marks oina pigani aduna ahanba audio gi question asi team C gi direct question hana hojage team C question je khanbiba yani
2.
Okay munna tabiro So your question is hojiki taakriba track adugi singer kanano team C countdown starts now
James.
singer okay James Lali aduna team A da akoi chance to pizza get team A
John Ilangbam.
John Ilangbam haiba answer asi chumme yam chumna kumbire aduna Facebook haiba video album music video album aduda James Saikonga Somaga ko actomina kiba adugumba ishay amakhakni singer na John Ilangbam team A na bonus mark phangkhare aduna mathangi question asisu team A da khoida direct question lakchage team A please choose your question
3.
3 okay yamunna tabiro
A process where an individual continuously strives to better oneself. The performance standards are set by themselves. They work on their dreams with focus.
okay hojik akoina taakriba speech adugi speaker kanano taakriba voice adugi speaker do kanano team A countdown starts now time's up aduna team B da lakchage team B same question ni who is the speaker
APJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam okay yam chumna kumbere team B aduna bonus point ase team B da pizarage akoina team hojiki voice adugi speaker APJ Abdul Kalam one of the most loved president of India natra aduna next question asidi akoi team B da direct question oina adum lakcharge team B gi question se option 1 khatam ngaire option 1 se yamunna taminaraga answer khumbina na batausi okay tabiro
oi mapa do yam sathibni hoi Hera mapa do yam sathira kai dau duino ne khura. Macanu pi do kok lok salani. Maya oi ra kanda kai dau ngam dori gi. Natrani ha.
Mani bro. Noi di malum bala ini ne.
Okay, haziki ta kriba audio do film amakaki sinni ko aduna adugi film do maming kari kauge maming tau.
Nungsi Faizai.
Nungsi Faizai. Am chumna kumbere team B aduna team B the direct question adugi point adu koi pijagani Nungsi Faizai aduga voice tuna pege yamba boni ko boni gi voice ni film na Nungsi Faizai. So thank you so much team B aduna team A B amsung C na mokoi gi audio gi round si masam sa gi answer sing khum khraba matung da koi mathang gi round si koi visual round do in lakchage team A the direct question do hojage team A aduna team A please choose your question visual round.
1.
Question number 1 yamuna yengbiro. So your question is, this is the process of changing a solid into a gas. What is this process called?
Sublimation.
Okay, sublimation. Am chumna kombire aduna team A da koi full marks a lot tawjagani. The answer is sublimation. Koi solid to gas the direct on bagi process adun chemical process ni ko. Mathangi question is the team B the lakchage team B isagi question choose tawbiro.
Question number 2.
Question number 2 adun munna yengbiro aduga question asina identify this first American space station uliba visual asigi first American space station asigi maming hai tare ko takpi ona hai your countdown starts now. Okay, time is up. Aduna mathangi team C the question se lakchage same question ni identify this first American space station.
Boston.
Boston. I'm so sorry to tell you it is wrong. Aduna mathangi team A the lakchage chapmana ba question ni identify this first American space station. Visual the uriba space station asigi maming tao haibani. Time's up. Team A, B, amsung C. Ahum ang nakumbang ngamdabana ko gi answer asi the Sky Lab ni ko 3-in-1 build tau kiba American gi first space station ako maming na Sky Lab. Mathangi question ako team C da lagsage direct question ni team C gi question choose tau bigani.
3.
Question number 3. Okay. Ko visual da ko gi animal amakak mayam da yung hanjare masigi animal sige maming tao hamne name the identify the animal. Countdown starts now.
Chimpanzee.
Chimpanzee. Okay, Lali. Aduna same question asi ko team A da pass tau jage team A. Okay, team B.
Orangutan.
Orangutan. Team B ne am chumna khumbire hai ba animal asigi adi akoi gi species chimpanzee moi gi monkey gi species ama khangni orangutan ko. Aduna team B ne am chumna khumbira khre third round loiraba matungi akoi punna team A B amsung C gi punba score sa kya laibage have the mayam punna yengminasi. Team A na with 25 points second lay aduga team B is leading with 35 points and team C with 10 points kasu puning sonthaba tawgonu team C karigino habdi mathangi round ko buzzer round layri aduga fifth round current affairs and IT round su layri aduna phugat haunaba hen haunabagi tanja adumak layri aduna akoi mathangi round singda yam section namun yenga khumbigani mathangi round se haujunge mawaina na akoi break macham khatang logjage Brainwave quiz 2019 season 1 gi aduma ki pool B gi winner kanano pun khangmina si attend break mtang logjage will be right back. Break ki matungda mayam bu amuk hana taramna okchari mayam ni biriba si Brainwave quiz 2019 gi season 1 episode 2 ni akoi gi hojik team A B C habdi team A da koi Brighter Star Public School loitang khunau dagi team B da Peace and Freedom Academy Thobal dagi aduga team C dana Sacred Heart School Yairipok A haiba team ahum asi akoi gi buzzer round haiba round asi yam interesting oiba ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ points ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯨꯒꯠ ꯍꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ round ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅꯤ buzzer round ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯨꯗ buzzer ꯑꯃꯃꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ buzzer ꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯅꯝꯕꯗꯨꯅ answer ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯒꯤ chance ꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ direct questions ꯂꯩꯇꯦ past questions ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ buzzer round ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯈꯨꯝꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ 10 marks allot ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯟꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ negative marks -5 ꯄꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯅ ꯈꯨꯝꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯕꯖꯔꯁꯦ ꯅꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯝꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯤꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯈꯪꯉꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯅꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯍꯧꯔꯣ ꯌꯥꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯇꯤꯝꯁꯤꯡ 4th round ꯍꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ओके क्वेश्चन सिदे आइना अदुम चूज तौरागे अदुना क्वेश्चन से मरी लई क्वेश्चंस मरी से मरी मक अखोई चांस पिजगनी को मरी मक आइना लौथोकचरकनी हाइदो हेक हायरप मतुंगदा काउंटडाउन लैत्रबनिना अखोई हेक क्वेश्चन से हायरब मतुंगदा प्रेस हाना तौरपदुना अखोई दुदा चांस पिगनी को ओके सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द बजर राउंड द 4th round डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन नि अहानब क्वेश्चन अखोई येंगसे अहानब क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 okay your question is what is the full form of ITCZ akangba team na dumak nambir payan what is the full form of ITCZ okay akhoi team ahumak khangre na lawrage aduna the full form of ITCZ is intertropical convergence zone hariba ase akhoi gi ITCZ gi full form ni so we'll go to the next question team ahumak khangkidre aduna mathang dadi yam munna yengbiro question number ani suba question number 1 choose to jage question number 1 so we have the question on the screen who gave the title Mahatma to Gandhi and referred to him as Maharaj okay team C Rabindranath Tagore so Rabindranath Tagore hariba answer asi achumba answer ni so congratulations team C da akoi points to allot tawjagani the answer is Rabindranath Tagore okay next ready lebiro question number 4 so let us have the question on the screen the question is what is the brief introductory statement that sets out the underlying philosophy of the Indian constitution known as what is the brief introductory statement that sets out the underlying philosophy of the Indian constitution known as the Indian constitution gi ahoba wahauron haitare madubu akoina maming kai hana kauge hana yam samlapna hangba yare okay khangre hana lawjarage yare ko okay so answer di adumuk tabiramagani akoi preamble ko preamble haiba akoi gi duna akoi Indian constitution gi ahoba akoi gi larik saju preamble of the Indian constitution na hana adumak hapaduni okay so we have the last question that is question number 3 let us see what is the question the question is what is the process of applying a protective zinc coating to steel or iron to prevent rusting okay team A hana nambigi
Galvanization.
okay, galvanization okay that is correct then team A is the full point pizagani galvanization is the correct answer for the question okay buzzer round yam interesting oina loi khre hai tare hojik aduna akoi gi buzzer round loi matung gi score mark asi kya kya laibage haido mayam pun amuka hana khangmina si aduna mathangi round asidi khoi last round oibana isa gi mark to khangaba matungda kanana ngamgani habdo hojik haiba ngamji team ahumak yam competitive oina yam chap manana chatli haijaba tare ko aduna we have the score on the screen so the first team A have scored 35 marks aduga team B su team A ga chap manana 35 marks score tauri aduga team C with just 20 marks haiba akoi gi ahumak se manana chatli ena dum haiba yare team C su hojik team round 5 asida point se hena phugatlaga winner oikibsu yai ko aduna team A ga B section view and team A ga B su all the best for the 5th round ase koi haunana ba tawr se dudi 5th round ase koi gi current affairs and IT round haiba round aduni Fifth round, current affairs and IT round. High round asi so khoi direct question wena dum hangjagani ko isa khoi gi direct question singdo hangkraba matungda isana khangaga answer sing adu chumba taragadi khoi 10 marks allot tawjagani aduga pass tawraga khumak paduna khoina bonus 5 marks oina pijagani aduna yam section na handaki round asidadi kanana winner oige haibdo pool B gi Brainwave quiz 2019 season 1 gi pool B gi winner do kanano round asi loir matungna pulap khangminargani aduna let us get started the round 5 of episode 2. So we have the direct questions option 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, direct question team B dagi han hojage ko. Team B, choose your question.
2.
Question number 2. So the question is, who is the present Secretary General of the UN? Your countdown starts now. Time's up. Aduna same question as koi mathangi team C the past tawjage, who is the present Secretary General of the UN?
Antonio Guterres.
Antonio Guterres. Okay. Team C na kumbirakre, the answer is Antonio Guterres. Yam chumna kumbire duna. Team C na bonus question oina yam chumna kumbirakre duna. Let us have the direct question for Team C. Team C question can be bayaran.
3.
Question number 3. Okay. MSC operating system is developed by which company? Countdown starts.
Apple.
Apple. Okay. So yam chumna kumbire Mac operating systems e koge Apple haiba company dugini yam chuna direct question so koi full marks ase team C na phangani. Okay, so the last question is for team A. Please choose your question.
1.
Question number 1. Okay, your question is, who is the present Vice President of India? Countdown starts now.
Venkaiah Naidu.
Venkaiah Naidu. Aduna koi question ase team A gi aroiba chance ni aduna yam chumna kumbire. The Venkaiah Naidu is the correct answer for the question. The Vice President of India is Venkaiah Naidu. Aduna team A, B amasung C yam phajana kumbira khre aduna. Lastly, kanana namge haba koi pool B Brainwave quiz 2019 season 1 gi pool B gi winner kanano punna khangmina si score screen da laglagani aduna yam phajana kumbiki team A, B amasung C ahumak yam phajana tawbiki aduna kaimta ninghanna leitana akoi gi next season da so adumak lakpiu aduga let us see who has scored the highest. Okay, so we have the scores on the screen. So team B ga C chap manana 35 marks phangduna draw chakre aduga the winner of Brainwave quiz 2019 season 1 pool B gi winner asi team A na takre. Team A khoi gi Brighter Star Public School A loitang khunau gi khoi gi ichan ani sina winner oiduna next second round qualify tawkre duna akoina team A da khangan jaba mana khoi gi best scorer haibagi prize achoba makhak cho koi thamjai duna next round lakpa matam da su best scorer dugi mingthona du phangnana ba isana dumak khumbinana ba prepare present tawbirakna ba ningsing jari. Thank you so much team A, B and C. So that was all for episode 2 Brainwave quiz 2019. Mathangi episode 3 pool C da kanana winner oge have the ma'am punna yingmina si. This is Brainwave quiz 2019 season 1. My name is Tenzing Pukhrambam. Thank you so much for watching Impact TV.